No. Good boy.
Good listening.
Good boy. Now, I know you want to drop the leash. He doesn't know what to do with her. He's so used to playing Lucy with Lucy.
He's like, wait a second.
Her thighs.
You can't grab her anywhere. Look at her face. That is so cute.
Aww. Look at the paw, did you see?
No. Oh, could she put it in the air?
Yeah, she's doing like the deer do.
The vet